this month I made $162 on Fiverr, which was the road bump here. It was my first month in which I didn't make more sales than the previous month. I'm going to be sharing my observations, my do's and don'ts, things that are going to be improving and things that are going to be elaborating. So without further ado, let's get into it. This should be a quick video. As I said before, it's the month that I had the less sales since last month. So this is like a bump in the road, which is okay. I was expecting this to happen anytime soon. So even though I got $162 in clear earnings, I'm still missing $28, which is actually $190. And then if you add this money that I have on hold in my PayPal account, I'm thinking about around maybe a little over $450. So it's definitely, there's some considerations. For example, the money that rolls over to the next month, it influences on the total amount. So even though there's a lot of discrepancies, this is the money that matters. So it's very subjective. So it's like keeping track of the money has become very pointless for me now. So let's move on to the next subject, FiverrMate. That's something that I've been stressing a lot this past like 2 to 3 videos. So I made a series of videos about this new plugin. If you don't have Seller Plus, or if you don't have money to spend on a research tool for Fiverr, definitely go to FiverrMate. This is the name of the extension. And this is a great tool. It's free, and you get almost the same results as Fiverr Seller Plus. Obviously, the Seller Plus is the best tool for now, since it's basically native to Fiverr. So it's a good tool. So in here, as a preview, this is where you're going to get good keywords, good stats in here, so you can actually like tinker around, see what you can do for it. But I already made a series of 3 videos in which it shows you how to actually manage the videos. So more information in the description, and hope it helps. And what else we got going on in here? Definitely one of the things that I could probably mention is that I wasn't as assertive as I thought I would be this month. So for example, whenever a client would come up to me and ask me questions, I would basically go in circles asking too many questions. And I should have maybe brought up like more solid and better formulated questions for me to lay down the offer gig right away. So that's something that I think I slept on this month. I've let go maybe of like 2 or 3 clients. One worked, but in the end, I don't think he was actually convinced. So even though he gave me a good review in one of my gigs in here, he was like very descriptive about being very responsive, like be very kind and like proactive. But he didn't get back at me. So I mean, it's something that I would say like reviews. I mean, I think they could be a little, for lack of a better word, hypocritical sometimes. So it's something you got to be able to not take it like criticism in a like in one or the other way, because it could be very misleading. So yeah, definitely is something that you got to be more assertive. That means make better questions, make better like roadmaps for new clients to bring new people in, and you can actually get better sales if you actually put like go get to action with the client. What else I've got going on in here? Definitely top keywords is something that I could probably stress a lot that I didn't use as much as I thought I would. But now that I've been using it, implementing it along with FiverrMate, this has become much more useful. I'm now focusing on FAQs. So right now I have a keyword bank in here. I think I have it here. Yeah. So now I'm making like a new video series in which I'm going to be optimizing FAQs. Since I heard it's a very crucial part and very underused section for optimizing your gigs. So expect those videos coming in the upcoming weeks, and I'll keep you guys posted. Other than that, it's pretty much what I want to tell. It's not like the best month for me, but still I make money. It's okay. I still gotta take the lesson and try to like improve from here. So other than that, as I said before, if you're looking for keywords, let me know. I can sit down and I'll give it to you for free. If you need any consultation, let me know. I'll be more than glad to sit down with you. Those ones are actually paid. So in here, you're going to find in my profile, my consultation options. And you're going to be able to sit down with me, and I'll give you a much more in-depth like consultation about things that you can do as a new Fiverr seller. So yeah, level 2 is the next like trajectory, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.